Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different today. Me and Kaylee are going away for the first weekend of the season, really. There she is there. She has got her new little setup with her DJI Action 3 on, but we are having a bit of issues in regards to audio from that camera. So, we shall see. We've got the drift on the back here, which again, that's playing up like God knows what. I don't know what's happening with that.
Sounds crackly, my audio does. I sound like a Dalek. Exterminate!
So we're going to see how this turns out. Because that might record, it might not record. If that records on the back, that is brilliant.
It didn't record while it was on my helmet, so what's the chances of it recording on the back of the bike?
Very true. So we are at Coty Auto Tally again. First time Kay coming down here. And we are going to make our way to the Brecon Beacons.
Because we're gonna go and ride.
And we've booked a beautiful...
Each other in the B&B. Oh, what?
Oh, see, there you go. Look, the drift's fucked up already.
Gonna go and ride each other in the B&B.
We're going to pretty much do the same route that we did with Dave and Cy the other week. We're going to go to this viewpoint, and we've got the drone, and if the weather holds off...
Gonna go viewpoint and do some dogging. Okay, yep, let's go.
Sorted?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Just trying to sort myself out. Yep.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, come on, you can get out before this van.
Gonna have to, aren't I, really?
Well, we are hoping that the weather is going to stay beautifully dry, but...
We've already got rained on.
We have already got rained on, yes.
Only a minimal amount. Minimal.
But no, me and Kay have booked a beautiful little bed and breakfast for 2 nights. And it is just me and Kay. Lovely dirty weekend.
You wish.
Which
way are we going?
Going to happen.
Which way are we going?
We're going right.
Okay, so indicator?
No, but I do just want to briefly talk about this. If you follow the Instagram page and Facebook page, you will have just seen that Kay has had an operation. Now,
I wouldn't call it an operation, more like a procedure.
A procedure. Now, I would get Kay to tell you all about this, but I'm not sure how her audio is going to come across. So, if it does come, I'll get Kay to tell you. If it does come across brilliant, absolutely fine. If not, then I'll repeat what she says after she said it, just so we can cover it over, so you can understand what has happened. Over to you.
Like a little polly parrot. Yeah, so I decided at the start of the year, so like I said, those who would have seen like Facebook and stuff like that would have seen that I decided at the start of the year that I wanted to do something that, you know, wasn't for me, wasn't for us, wouldn't benefit us in any way at all. So I decided to donate my eggs. We have 2 children, and we are lucky enough to have had 2 children. But there are people out there, unfortunately, that don't have the same, the same fortunate, just the same fortune as us. So I decided to donate my eggs, and it's been quite a long process. I had to inject with like hormones and stuff like that, inject into my own stomach for about 2 weeks, and then the other day I had to travel down to London I've had to have like scans, and women will know that internal scans are not the prettiest or nicest of things. However, they were all internal scans that I had to have. But yeah, on what day was it, Steve, that I went?
It was Wednesday
Yeah.
3rd, wasn't it?
Yeah, Wednesday the 3rd of May. And
what's this manhole cover?
yeah, and I went to London, and Steve drove me down there, and I was put to sleep. They did a procedure where they basically have this huge needle on the end of a probe, and they take out your eggs from all the follicles that have been built up from taking the hormones. When I woke up, we got the really good news that they managed to get 13 eggs, which apparently is quite a good number, so I was really happy with that. We do actually already, well, I say we already have, there is already a couple that will be receiving my eggs, and they've so I've heard, I don't know them personally, but so I've heard they've been through the mill a little bit. A couple of donors have let them down, so I was determined not to let them down. But yeah, so I had a phone call yesterday from the nurse saying that the couple that were going to be receiving them were extremely happy. She was in tears on the phone saying thank you so much, and yeah, just waiting now to hear whether it's turned into a pregnancy. She did say it could be a couple of months before I know, but yeah, just fingers crossed. Yeah, that was what I did.
And what a fantastic thing it was that you did.
Oh, you sound well gay.
You are?
You sounded well gay then. What a fantastic thing it was. Everyone seems to think it's so amazing. I genuinely, it's a nice thing to do, don't get me wrong, but you know, I just think I don't think it's anything special. I'm sure people that, you know, who have got the eggs and stuff think it's amazing. To me, it's just like, I've got a body that I'm lucky enough works properly, and you know, and
that's the funniest thing you've said all day.
Alright, I'll start that again. I've got a reproductive system which I'm very lucky works properly.
Yeah, so you needed to rephrase that, because you're like, you rattle as you walk. You snap, pop and crackle as you walk.
It's snap, crackle and pop, dickhead. Yeah.
Well, yeah, you might as well snap, you're that flipping frail.
So hopefully you managed to hear all of what I just said, because Steve will literally just put it in a nutshell.
I will literally just put it into a nutshell.
She donated her eggs, done, bam.
Yeah. She lay there, she spread her legs, which she's used to doing anyway. They sucked it out with a hoover, and the eggs are going to an unfortunate couple.
A fortunate couple?
An unfortunate couple.
Well, they're fortunate because they're getting my eggs.
You're clear, go, go, go.
I know. Ow! But yeah, if you do hear me saying ow quite a bit, my stomach is a little bit tender still. Every time we go over a bump, I'm like, oh, that hurt.
Well, I'm hoping that the weather stays clear like this, because we'll be able to get the drone up at that viewpoint.
Oh yeah. The dogging place.
The dogging place, yeah. Right, watch the gravel on here as well then, okay?
Okay, baby.
And there is a car coming down.
Oh, coming up.
Yeah, well, potato, potato.
Well, no, because I'd have glassed down as the other way.
Well, I'm still recording, so that's good. I will come here one day when it is clear. Cattle grid. But oh, look at that there. Oh. Oh, looks like we're about to get wet, guys. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the GoPro is going to pick that up, but obviously all of that over there. And guess which way we're going? Into that. Wicked. Well guys, we've had a little bit of a change of plan. Originally we were meant to go to Tinton Abbey to get the drone back up, but as you can see we got caught out in a monsoon and Kate is absolutely soaked. We didn't realise that the waterproof over trousers that she's got in the top box were actually kid size. So we've found a Millets. Let's get in there, let's get us some waterproof stuff. Right, device, lock the screen there, right, lock that there. Should be okay for 5 minutes. Right, let's go get some waterproof stuff. Well, we just had to pull over because again the weather's just getting that bad. So there's no point in us filming anything here. She's all kitted out with waterproof clothing though, but yeah, we've still got another 2 hours to go to get to the bed and breakfast. No point in having the cameras on, you're not going to see anything now. So we shall check in with you when we get to the bed and breakfast. So guys, we've just pulled up at the bed and breakfast and yeah, the sun has come back out to play. So obviously we didn't pull back over to put the cameras back on because we just wanted to get here now. As it is, what, just gone 5 o'clock, it's about 5:15?
Yeah.
Been on the road since 9 o'clock this morning. So nearly 190 miles riding. Okay, you've done absolutely fantastic, darling.
I got a sore ass, man.
Yeah, you got a sore ass. You got
That's
very.
not the riding.
Yeah, you got very wet, but we did.
I did.
Improvise in this stuff.
I have waterproof stuff on, like I'm going fishing in my green trousers.
But no, the place that we're staying at is 2 seconds. Yeah, you get to see me run. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that. You are?
You back?
I'm back. So, let's get the boys locked up and let's get up to the bedroom because it is absolutely gorgeous up there. So we've got a twin room. We've got single beds. Yes! I am all for the single bed.
I'm all for the single bed as well, to be fair.
Oh my god, I'm actually going to get more room in that bed than what I do at home. Ugh. But this is our bedroom. It's, you know, it's absolutely perfect, really. Just the ensuite bathroom, which at the minute has just got the motorcycle gear in, just to keep towels. Are you okay there, Kay?
Yeah, just a bit wet.
Just a bit wet?
Yeah, just got to peel my trousers off and peel off my top and... Oh.
Yeah. But I think we're going to take a little walk into the town. I think the town's about a mile away, just over a mile away.
Yeah.
It's only about a 15-minute walk. So yeah. I think we're just going to make a move straight into town to go get some food.
Yeah.
Get changed obviously first, get freshened up.
Yeah.
And make a move into town.
Yay.
I think we deserve a point.
Yes, we definitely do.
We definitely deserve a point.
I'm allowed to drink now.
And she's allowed to drink and I'm not allowed to do nothing to her because it's still in a system technically.
But I can drink. That's the important thing.
Any lads that are watching this, right, feel my pain. Feel my
Weekend
pain.
away. Weekend away, no children.
Dirty weekend away, no children.
Not so dirty.
Get to do whatever I'd want to do to our wife.
Not so dirty.
Can't do absolutely piss all.